Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound problem. First of all, you need to turn on your Bluetooth on your phone. So, then connect your device to which you want to fix the sound problem. After that, you need to tap on that device name. So here you can find this unpair option. So tap on that to unpair your device. Now you need to restart your phone and connect that device again. So now your problem is fixed. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.